Welcome back, friends. So this will be a small video where I would like to cover few more things about the input box. In the last video, we have seen that we have a situation where we want to update something on the web page until someone presses the enter key. But let's see what is the problem with that approach. Let's see if it has been compiled. Yes, this has been compiled. And now let's open this localhost 4200. So here it has been opened, and now I have a text box, and whatever I will be updated in the text box, that should be updating this my first Angular project, because here I have used title, and inside the app.component.ts I have a title variable, and this title variable has the value my first Angular project, and that is why you are able to see here as sorry you are able to see here as my first Angular project. Alright, so we want that as soon as we press enter, then only it should be updated. But the problem is that suppose I now update it, and if I just move my focus to somewhere else, like if I press the tab key, or you can say if I press something else, then what will happen? This value is there, but it is not going to update your web page, or you can say it is not going to update the value in your application. Okay, so to target this problem, we need to do one thing. We just need to add one more event here, and that event is blur. Blur means as soon as the focus removes from your current component, then again you need to call this function. As soon as your function, your control is moving away from your text box, then you need to call this box.value. Okay, so on blur and on enter, in both the cases, I'm going to update the value. I'm going to call the same function on key up, and this is the function on key up, which was updating the title with the value provided. So now let's see what will happen on the screen. Okay, so here I'm just putting it like Vikas, and then I press enter. After pressing enter, it is working fine, and then if I write Rajesh and then press tab, then also it is getting updated on the web page. If I do something like Ganesh, and if I press somewhere else on the web page, then it will be updated. So it's not like you have to just press the enter key to get this updated on your web page, or you can say in your application. You can just get it done by handling this event, and the event is blur event. So you need to take care of this. This blur event is also of importance, right? So this is all for this video. This was a small video. I just wanted to cover this smaller thing, which is useful when you will be developing your application. So I just came back to this, and I just created a small video on this. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day, and bye.